Now we're going to talk about another emerging technology, which is Hyperloop. Hyperloop is a fifth mode of transportation. It is intended for super fast travel between large cities. Initially, Elon Musk has published the concept in year 2012. Joint team of Tesla and SpaceX are working to develop Hyperloop technology-based transportation system. The technology offers very fast speed of transportation, which is twice that of aircraft. It has very low power consumption as a low transportation system on long run. It is immune to bad weather conditions and natural calamities such as earthquakes. There are also few disadvantages to this technology, such as initial cost of investment to have the system in the place is very high. Moreover, this is very costly and also risky to maintain. As Hyperloop uses steel for track, it expands and changes shape when outside temperature is changed. This needs to be considered while designing the system based on environment of the location where it is being deployed, and the installation require cutting a large number of trees. This leads to environment loss. The last invention in which Tesla invests on are Powerwalls. The Tesla home battery, also known as the Tesla Powerwall, is a stationary storage device for solar energy with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. When needed, the Powerwall can be used as backup for the off-grid use, load shifting, and solar self-consumption. There is also a large version designed for commercial use. For a cleaner source of energy and to eliminate the worry of being without power during inclement weather, solar is a viable option. With the Powerwall included as a receptor for excess energy, you are no longer reliant on the power grid supplied by the local electric company. You won't lose money on frozen food going to waste due to an outage, and you will eliminate the stress of being left in the dark for what could be days or weeks after a severe storm resulting in down power lines. While the idea sounds good, it's very expensive. Some of the charge include the cost of solar panels installation, the cost of Tesla unit itself, and the installation cost, and city or country permits. Today, Tesla's massive success shows that the clean technology must have financial success to push the world forward. Well, I believe Tesla's success will be the single most defining shift in the 21st century and is the tip of the spear in the battle against climate change. That's all from me. Thank you.